स्वागत है। कैसी चल रही है आप लोग की पढ़ाई? अच्छी चल रही है ना? और जो मेरे लेसन्स है वो आप लोग देखकर बहुत अच्छे से सीख रहे हैं, तो इसकी मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि जो मेहनत मैं आप लोग के लिए ले रही हूँ वो मेरी जो मेहनत है वो सफल हो रही है और वो आप भी देख रहे हैं, है ना? और बच्चों ने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया है मैथमेटिक्स भी अपलोड करने के लिए। भाई एक जान इतने काम तुम लोग बोलोगे तो मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी, लेकिन ठीक है, मेरे बच्चों के लिए मैं कुछ भी करने को तैयार हूँ। तो इसके लिए मैंने आप लोगों के लिए मैथमेटिक्स के लिए भी अरेंजमेंट किया हुआ है आप लोगों को वीडियो अपलोड करने के लिए। तो आज हम लोग अपलोड कर रहे हैं फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के लिए फर्स्ट मैथमेटिक्स का लेसन पार्ट वन रोमन न्यूमरल्स। तो क्या है रोमन न्यूमरल्स? बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है ये आप लोगों के लिए, तो अच्छे से आप लोग सीखिए, ठीक है? और पहली बार आप चैनल देख रहे हैं मेरा तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल का आइकन टैप करना मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि लाइव स्ट्रीम में मैं जो आप लोगों को लेसन सिखाऊंगी तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों को सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद और बेल का आइकन टैप करने के बाद ही मिलेगा। तो आपके जो भी डाउट है आप लोग लाइव स्ट्रीम में ऑन द स्पॉट क्लियर कर सकते हैं। और लाइक कीजिए मेरे वीडियोस को और कमेंट बॉक्स में कुछ डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, और डाउट नहीं है तो एक थैंक्स तो मेरे लिए बनता ही है ना? और एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट बात मैं आप लोगों से कहना चाहती हूँ कि घर में दिन में एक बार तो आप लोगों को 2 to 30 टेबल आप एक टाइम फिक्स कर दो। या तो सुबह नहाते ही हम लोग जिससे भगवान को पैर पड़ते हैं तभी ही हम लोग 2 to 30 एक बार टेबल बोलेंगे, या इवनिंग में जैसे आप लोग को सूटेबल होता है वैसे। लेकिन दिन में एक बार 2 to 30 टेबल सिर्फ बोलना है। आप देख के बोलो, ऐसे नहीं है कि आप लोग रट्टा मार के फिर आपको बोलना है, ऐसे भी नहीं है। रोज देखो 2 to 30 टेबल बोलने का स्टार्ट कर दो, तो अपने आप 8 ही दिन में आप लोगों के कब टेबल बाय हार्ट हो जाएंगे 2 to 30 आप लोगों को खुद को ही पता नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है? और आप लोगों को स्ट्रेस भी नहीं आएगा। ओके, तो आज का ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टिप था, क्योंकि अभी जो टेबल है आप लोगों को लगने ही वाले हैं। अगर टेबल नहीं आएगा, नो टेबल नो मैथमेटिक्स, फिर अंडे ले लेके घूमना आप लोग, ठीक है? तो लॉकडाउन में क्या मिला? अंडा। नहीं चाहिए ना हम लोग को अंडा, तो मैथमेटिक्स वाला जीरो वाला अंडा नहीं चाहिए हम लोग को। वैसे तुम लोग अंडे खा सकते हो। चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं आप लोग का फर्स्ट लेसन, रोमन न्यूमरल्स।
So, today we are going to start with Roman numerals. What are Roman numerals? Roman numerals are those numbers which were used in Europe in the olden times. So, let us see. Read the conversation of Gita and teacher. Okay? So, Gita. This clock doesn't have numbers. It has some symbols instead. So she is like you only. She don't know what is Roman numerals. So she is thinking of this clock doesn't have any number. These have such symbols, but these are not symbols. These are a type of number. Let us see ahead. What are those? Now let us see what teacher tells Gita. Teacher. Yes, Gita. These are Roman numerals. In Europe, in the olden times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they are called Roman numerals. The letter I was the symbol used for 1, V for 5, and X for 10. So, the teacher tells Gita is these are Roman numerals. These are one type of number which were used in Europe in the olden times. So the I was called as 1, the V was called as 5, and the X was called as 10. So let us see the explanation of the textbook. In this method, there was no symbol for 0. Also, the value of symbol did not change with its place. There are certain rules for writing numbers using the Roman numeral. Let us see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules and the symbol 1, I, 5 and X. So, let us see the rules of writing Roman numerals. Rule 1. If either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. Example, I is equal 1 plus 1 is equal 2. X is equal 10 plus 10 is equal 20. I is equal 10, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal 3. Here I and I means 2. I plus I. X plus X. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Rule 2. The symbol I or X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral is the numeral V is never repeated consecutively. So what do you mean by consecutively? Consecutively means continue. In continue. Continuously. Okay. Now here they have told that I and X can't be repeated for maximum 3 times. See what this mean? This mean is 30. So and this is I. We write as like this. So we can't repeat more than this. If we will add one more, then this is not 4. We write 4 like this. Okay, understand? Now let us see what is given ahead. Let me erase this. When either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. So here are example sum of rule 3. See, they had given here, this is 5, V is 5. And if we add 1 here, then 5 plus 1 is 6. V, see here, I is equal 1 plus 1. V, I. This is 2. So they are directly written here plus 2 is equal 7. V, I. So they are written directly here. See, है ना? 5 plus 3 is equal 8. Xi is equal 10. Xi is equal 10 plus 2 is equal 12. Xi is equal 10 plus 3 is equal 13. So here X and V is equal 10 plus 5 is equal 15. See, X plus V, what I denotes the value 1, V denotes the value is 5 and X denotes the value is 10. So if we add X and V is equal 10 plus 5 is equal 15. XVI is equal 16. Simple. Had you understood? I hope you have understood. So let us see the fourth rule. When I is written on the left of V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. However, the symbol I is not written more than 1 before V or X. So, if the I is written before the written before the V or X, then its value becomes in minus. It means 5 minus I. What is 5 minus 1 is 4. Then this become 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this become 9. So this is a symbol to write 4 in Roman numeral. And this is 9. Now see, they have given the same example here. This is 4. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. 10 minus 9 is equal 10 minus 1 is equal 9. But the number 8 is not written like this. Okay, this is too important. But 8 is not written like this. 8 is written like this. Okay? Had you understood? I hope you have understood the problem. See, 14 is equal 10 plus 1. However, we do not use the symbol 1 consecutively more than 3 times. See, as here the rule to tell us, read this. Okay, so we can't write I more than 3 times. And here they had also told us the same. Same. Hence, we shall think of the numbers 14 as 10 plus 4 instead. Then, using the symbol 4 for 4. IV for 4. Okay, sorry. IV for 4. we write 14 as x, and this is the symbol for 4, so we would write it like this. Similarly, we shall think of the number 19 as 10 plus 9 written as x x. See, it's too easy. Okay, no need to worry. You will, in the school, you will be revise this portion. Thus, to write the number from 1 to 20 in Roman numerals, we first distribute a number even in the group of 10, 5 and 1, and then apply the rules given below. Thus, 12 is equal 10 plus 1 is equal x I. 7 is equal 5 plus 1 plus 1. See, this is the method we write 7. This is the method we write 12, and this is the type we write 18. 18 is equal 10 plus 5 plus 3 is equal 18. Okay, now let us see what is on back side. Oh, here is your favorite problem set 1. Let us solve problem set 1. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numeral. So I have solved this. You have to see a look at it. See here, these are the numbers. This is from your first exercise. Okay. Now let us go to the second one. Write the following numbers using the international numerals. What do you mean by international numerals? International numerals are those. See, you write 1, 2, 3, 4 that are called international numerals. So V is 5. This is 7. This is 10. This is 13. This is 14. This is 16. This is 18. And this is 9. So, see, easy. So easy. See, fill in the empty boxes. The third one. See here. 3. This is 3 in Roman numerals. 8. This is 6. This is 12. So I will write here how to write 12. This is 12. And this is 19. Okay. Don't write 9 like this. Your marks will go. Okay, you have to write 9 properly. Okay, like this. See how good it looks. Now let us go to the fourth one. Write the numbers using the Roman numeral. See, this is 9. This is 4. Okay. See, this is 9, this is 4, I and V is 4, this is 2, I, this is X and I is 11, this is 17 and this is 18. Okay, let us see the fifth one. In the table below, each given number is written in the international numerals and then again in Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put tick in the box under it. If not, put wrong and correct it. Okay, here there are international numerals and Roman numerals given. So as I told you, we don't write 4 times I. We write 4 like this, I and V. This is 4. Now this 6 is correct. Yes, this is wrong. This is correct. We don't write 8 like this. We write 8 V I. Okay. So this is also wrong. Yes, this is correct. X V I is 16. No, this is not wrong. So we can't repeat V more than 1 time. Okay. So this is also wrong. So to write 15 is the way is X and V is 15. Okay. Now see something more. L, C, D and M are also used as Roman numerals. Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D, M. So it is written in numbers. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. So you don't write if they told you to write 50 in Roman numerals, don't write 50 x. If they told you to write 60, don't write 6 times x, 7 times x, 70 they told. Write L. If they told 70, write L and x. So, see how simple it is. And if they told us write 1000, then you will keep on writing x. No, na. So, this was today's problem set 1. So, tomorrow we will study the second lesson, which is number work. Okay? So, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.